Hello everyone, today we want to solve a geometry problem. In this problem, we want to find the area of the yellow colored. And here we can see a square and two half circle in it and 1/4 of the circle. Let's go and see how we're going to solve it. As we can see here, for example, this is circle number 1 and this is circle number 2. For circle number 2, we have the radius because it's going to be half of the 4. So we know it's going to be 2. But for the circle number 1, we don't have the radius. So we should find it. Let's go and see how we can find r here. So for making it easier, all the time assume a variable. For example, the radius of circle 1 is r, and when it is r, this part of the square is going to be 4 minus r because the whole part is 4. We knew it. So here we are. We have 4 minus r, and we have 2 here. So this shape is similar because here we have 90 degree because we have a square here. So if we draw a line from the center of one circle to another circle, we can see a triangle here, which one of the angle is 90 degree. So we kind of know how we can find r here. So as we can see, if we draw the line from the center of one circle to another circle, we know this part because it's the radius of circle 2, it's going to be 2. And we know this part. We assume it is r. It's again radius of circle 1. It's going to be r. So the whole line is going to be 2 plus r. So here we are. We have a triangle. One of the angle is 90. And we have 2 plus r, 2, 4 minus r. And we know one formula if we have a triangle with angle with 90 degree. So it's going to be a square plus b square equals to c square. So we can write this formula for exactly this triangle that we have here. And we can find r. So great. Let's write this formula. It's 2 square, which is 4. 4 minus r squared. This is our b, and c is 2 plus r squared. Let's simplify it. 4 plus 16 plus r squared minus, because here we have minus, 2 times 4 times r. It's going to be minus 8r. And here we are, 2 squared, which is 4, r squared, and plus 2 times 2 times r, which is 4r. And here we want to simplify it. R squared will be cancelled by r squared. And here we have 20. Here we have 4. We will have 16 here. And it's going to be 8r plus 4r. It's going to be 12r. So now we can find r. If we divide both sides by 4, here we will have 4, and here we have 3, so r equals 4 over 3. As I said before, let's assume this is circle 1, this is circle 2, and this is circle 3. So the area of circle 1 is going to be 1/2 because we have half of the circle. So 1/2 times PR squared. So our r here is 4 over 3. So this is our area of circle 1. Circle 2 is going to be 1/2 again. And our r here is 2. It's going to be P2 squared. And the area of the last circle is going to be 1 over 4 because it's the quarter of a circle. And PR2. R here is 4. It's the whole line here. So now we want to find the yellow area. So how we're going to find it? So it's going to be the quarter of the circle minus circle 1 minus circle 2. So great. So we'll go through each circle and calculate the area. For example, the area of C3, the third circle, is 1 over 4 p4 square, which is gonna be 4p. The second circle is gonna be 1 over 2 p2 square, which is gonna be 2p minus 2p. And the first one is gonna be 16 over 9 over 2. It's gonna be 8 over 9p. So after calculating this, it's gonna be 2p minus 8 over 9. And now we will have s equals to 10 over 9p. So great, we found the area of the yellow color in this figure. And thank you for watching us. I hope you enjoyed the video.